Hello, this is the Radio Geek, and today for you I thought I'd talk a little bit about the Dreamsky DS 902. And somebody did ask me if I had opened it up yet, and so I decided to do that and see what's inside. So we have some photos here that I took. We have the inside with the display and the front buttons. And the other shot here is of the speaker, the inside, and that orange wire is the one that was caught up in the battery holder area. And then inside here is a photo of the inside antenna. It's got about a 2-inch ferrite bar. Pretty small antenna actually for an AM antenna, but it's a small radio. And then here's a close-up of the antenna itself, tightly wound. And then we have some pictures of the different ICs that are in the radio. There are 3 ICs in the radio. This first one is a BK 1088, and that's the radio IC itself. And I guess there's a BK 1086 as well, and they were both on the same data sheet. And I think it must be the other chip that can do shortwave as well. And then the last chip is the 8002B, and that's a audio amplifier chip. And that's for amplifying the audio. Oh, there is one more chip, one more photo here. And this one is totally unmarked. There's nothing on it at all. No markings whatsoever. It looks like it's probably some kind of a microcontroller. Probably interfaces the buttons and controls the display, the LCD, and what's displayed on there. So I'm assuming that's what that is. So it's another one of these all-in-one chip, radio chip type radios, and it has an audio amplifier chip and a micro as well. So kind of a few different chips on there. The solder is kind of soldering is kind of what you'd expect in that kind of a price range anyway. But all in all, it works pretty well at night. It's pretty good picking up stations at night. I know on that review I wasn't really picking up that many stations, but I had some other interference. But I did make that log of all the stations that I listened to. So anyway, this is just a quick look to show you what it looks like inside. Hope you guys liked taking a peek under the hood there. And we'll catch you next time. This is the Radio Geek.